Alright, back to the programming of Elite Intel. It is a companion for the Elite Dangerous that runs on Linux and on Windows. It's programmed in Java, so it's easy to install, easy to run. It's a TOS compliant app, no overlays, no reading in-game memory. And the goal for today is to refactor the player session. Minute. Let me make music quieter. I'll stick it to about 25%. There we go. Alright. Where we were. So in the player session, we have a route somewhere here. Yes, this. And this is when we planned.
Systems online.
Hey Steve, could you give me an audio check? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you loud and clear, Count. Route set. Streaming mode is on. Voice to text will still be processing, but I will not react to you. Please prefix your command with Word Computer.
Okay, so that stores the route map with the nodes to jump from. Computer, analyze our route.
Analyzing route telemetry. Stand by. Count routes for jumps. All scoopable M stars. Blau Ear Victor Bravo Dash Hotel Bravo 51 21. Blau Ear Zulu Hotel Dash Foxtrot Bravo 52 16. Blau Ear Zulu Hotel Dash Foxtrot Bravo 52 1. Blau Ear Zulu Hotel Dash Foxtrot Bravo 52 10.
Alright, now that the route is disabled, we should not have anything in the route map, and it should tell me that we don't have anything. Computer, analyze our route.
I'm listening.
Analyze our route.
Analyzing route telemetry. Stand by. Count, no route plotted yet. Kinda stuck in neutral here.
Shut down the systems.
Shutting down system.
Alright, so let's see. We will create, under the session, we'll create a new class called ship route. And we will extend session persistent and implement serializable. Directory will be... I could put it in route, so I could put it in session. Let's go session. Convert this to true singleton. Actually, we'll model it after status. And the file is going to be called yeah, then we get that from session persistence. So the file is going to be called ship route JSON. I don't need that. Now basically going to steal that from here. I'm going to steal that from here. And we need to get the route itself. Stored as integer, that is the leg and the navigation data transfer object. And we will remove these methods from here and stick them in here. There we go. So this is clean, but now we are not going to be able to compile it because we just moved stuff. Now let's run the compilation. It's going to break all over the place. Update route node also has to go in here. Right, and that is not player session. That is ship route. Ship route get instance.
Welcome, weary travelers. Well, you asked for a map, but you had that with you the whole time. The map is within you, and your feelings are the guideposts that tell you when to go left and when to go right. Often we tend not to listen because it's hard, it's scary. And we forget that there is no other path to happiness except for the one that we create for ourselves. For ourselves. For ourselves. For ourselves.
It really wants to put the status in here for whatever reason. Control F9 is taken over by the KZ, so I need to change that shortcut to something else. And looks like this is the last place. Okay, so theoretically, if I remember correctly, the rest of my code I should be able to just run this, because if file isn't there, it will just create it. We'll find out in a moment. Alright, this is not needed anymore.
Systems online.
Okay.
Say again. Route set.
Analyze our route. Tell me if we can scoop fuel.
Analyzing route telemetry. Stand by. Count. Next stars Blauer Zulu Hotel Foxtrot Bravo 52-16 M class. Scoopable, yeah.
Alright, is there anything interesting on the planet that we are on right now? Any bioforms to scan?
Analyzing exobiology data. Stand by. Nah, Count, this planet's a bust. No bioforms to scan at all.
Transfer power to engines. Retract landing gear. Enter Super Cruise. Alright, let's get out of here.
Frameshift drive charging.
We're cruising through hyperspace to Blauer Zulu Hotel Foxtrot Bravo 52-16, an M-class fuel star.
How many jumps remain to the final destination?
Traveled 5.534 light years. Arrived at Blauer Zulu Hotel Foxtrot Bravo 52-16 system. Next stop, Blauer Zulu Quebec Charlie Charlie 26-71 G-class fuel star. 2 jumps remaining to Blauer Zulu Hotel Foxtrot Bravo 52-19. Congrats, you're the first here. Analyzing route telemetry. Stand by. We've got 2 jumps left to the final destination.
Open FSS. transition to hyperspace.
Frameshift drive charging.
Hey Count, we're cruising through hyperspace to Blauer Zulu Quebec, Charlie 26-71. It's a G-class fuel star. No traffic or incidents reported. Hey Count, jump successful. Traveled 5.921 light years to Blauer Zulu Quebec, Charlie 26-71. Next, Blauer Zulu Hotel, Foxtrot Bravo 52-19. M-Star, fuel scoop ready. 1 jump left.
Open
Congrats.
FSS.
You're the first here.
System scan complete.
Exit.
Streaming mode is on. Voice to text will still be processing, but I will not react to you. Please prefix your command with word computer.
Alright, everything seems to be working, and it deletes the legs of the route as we consume them. Good.
I am listening. Yeah, route legs drop off as we hit them, Krondor. Keeps it clean.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Frameshift drive charging.
Hey Count, we're cruising through hyperspace to Blauer Zulu Hotel Foxtrot Bravo 52-19, an M-class fuel star. No traffic or deaths reported. Congrats, you're the first here. Hey Krondor, hyperspace jump successful. Traveled 2.386 light years. Arrived at final destination. Blauer Zulu Hotel Foxtrot Bravo 52-19.
Open FSS and scan.
System scan complete.
Do you detect any live signals in the star system?
Analyzing star system data. Stand by. Nah, Count. No live signals here.
Open galaxy map.
Route set.
Okay, let's get out of here.
Frameshift drive charging.
Hey Count, we're cruising through hyperspace toward Blau Mike India Bravo Delta 13-90, an F-class fuel star.
Turn off the route announcements.
Hey Krondor, hyperspace jump successful. Traveled 6.157 light years to Blau Mike India Bravo Delta 13-90 system. Next stop, Blau Mike India Bravo Delta 13-129er. Star Class A, Fuel Star, 1 jump remaining. Route announcements off. Congrats, you're the first here.
Open FSS and scan.
New discovery logged. Sudarsky Class 2 gas giant.
Oh, looky.
Hey Count, 2 packs 8 biosignals. Say again?
Analyze biome for planet 2 Alpha.
Analyzing planetary and biome data. Standby. Count for 2A, probable genera. Tubus, tussock, stratum, frutexa. New discovery logged. Sudarsky Class 2 gas giant.
System scan complete.
Open local map. Optimize the speed, please.
Hay count, surface scan complete. Efficiency excellent. Only 1 probe used out of 2. Hay count picked up biological signals. 8 exobiology types. Alioida, Bacterium, Cactoida, Fungoida, Osseous, Stratum, Tubus, Frutexa. Projected payout averages 41,404,794 credits, plus a first discovery bonus of 165,619,183. Hay count entering orbit for 2A. Surface gravity 0.07 g. Ammonia atmosphere. 11 materials detected. Details on request. Surface temp 173 Kelvin. About -100 Celsius. Tidally locked.
How long does the day last on this current location?
Analyzing planetary and biome data. Stand by. Grandor, day on 2 lasts 356,599 seconds, about 99 hours.
Transfer power to shields. Deploy landing gear.
Landing gear deployed.
Touchdown.
Deploy SRV. Turn off the headlights, please.
Low gravity warning.
Hay count, organic sample detected. Genus Tubus, species Rosarium. First out of 3 required. Keep samples 800 meters apart. Vista Genomics payment, 2,637,500 credits, plus 10,550,000 bonus for first discovery. Hay count. Codex entry unlocked. Biological and geological. Alioida laminae. Teal. Samples 150 meters apart. Voucher 2,500 credits. Vista Genomics. 6,648,480 for the full set of 3, plus 26,593,921st discovery bonus. Hay count. Codex entry. Biological and geological. Stratum Paleus. Emerald. Samples 500 meters apart. Vista Genomics. 6 million credits for 3 samples plus 24,500,000 first discovery bonus. Hay count. Codex entry unlocked. Biological and geological. Alioida laminae. Teal. Hey Krondor, new codex entry. Biological and geological Aleoida laminii teal. Hey Krondor, codex entry unlocked. Biological and geological stratum paleus emerald. Hey Count, we're far enough to snag the next biosample. Hey Krondor, new codex entry, biological and geological, Aleoida laminii teal. Hey Count, codex entry unlocked, biological and geological, stratum paleus emerald. Hey Count, sample collected for Tubus. Hey Count, new codex entry, biological and geological, stratum paleus emerald. Hey Count, codex entry unlocked, biological and geological, Aleoida laminii teal. Hey Krondor, we're far enough to snag the next biosample. Hey Count, organic scans for Tubus are complete.
Okay, so we have not deleted this last one, but that's probably because we didn't make it to the...
Say again? Systems offline.
Yeah, this is correct, because we have not made it to the final destination yet, so the final destination remains here. Alright, so the ship route thingy works just fine. After refactoring, that's good news. Now, let us do the same with the fleet carrier route. There it is. Close everything out that we don't need. We just need player session. Class fleet carrier route. Extends session persistence. Implement serializable. Carry on. So the fleet carrier route is this kind of map. It's integer to the carrier jump mapping. First, convert to true singleton. Any other instances of this in here? No? Good. Right, accept that. Fleet carrier route JSON, yeah, sure. I can live with that name. It's a good name. Let's not make it final, because we'll be resetting that. Okay. So build project is control 9. I need to change this to alt 9. Settings, key map. Build project. Remove this. Hit keyboard shortcut. F9, please. It's going to explode all over the place, but that's all right. Because this is now fleet carrier route. No. I don't even need instance of the player session in there anymore. That's good. Ooh, no. Okay. Copy this, and where is my handy dandy editor? Paste this in here for now. Actually, come to think of it, file save as. We're going to go to disk 2, projects, Elite Intel, session, lead carry around JSON, save. Okay, let's double check that it reads it from there.
Systems online.
Enter next fleet carrier destination, please.
Systems online.
Enter the next fleet carrier destination. Alright, so fleet carrier route, for whatever reason, is not being picked up. Right? Ah, I know why. Because I'm an idiot, that's why. I'm not loading it on... Oh, yeah, I am loading it on a startup, don't I? Yeah. And the load fields goes into there. Okay. So let's see if that was it.
Systems online.
Enter the next fleet carrier destination. One more adjustment. It's supposed to be this.
Systems online.
Enter fleet carrier destination. Enter fleet carrier destination. Did I just kill it? Yes.
Systems offline. Systems online.
Enter next fleet carrier destination. Okay, what am I missing here?
Systems offline. Voice input disabled.
No. I'm not reading it from the wrong file now, am I? Hold on. That kind of doesn't look right. I have a malformed JSON in here. So it should start with a squiggly. And not have one of those. So the JSON is malformed. Okay, how about now?
Systems online.
Enter the next fleet carrier destination. Here are our nodes. So now it should work in-game, theoretically.
Systems online.
Enter the next fleet carrier destination. Calculate fleet carrier route.
Accessing Spanch. Stand by. Calculated fleet carrier route to Scotia WXC A12-1. 13 jumps, with a total of 1126 tons of fuel required. When you are ready, open the Galaxy map from Fleet Carrier panel. Select the text field and ask me to enter next carrier jump location.
Enter the next fleet carrier jump location. Enter the next fleet carrier jump location. Internal error in Google speech to text.
Say again.
Open next fleet carrier jump location, please.
Analyzing fleet carrier data. Stand by. Count. Opening jump to Bioi, Ur India Kilo Bravo 8-17. 500 light years out, 91 tons fuel burn.
Enter next fleet carrier jump location.
Hey count. Heads up. Carrier jump scheduled to Buey Ur India Kilo Bravo 8-17 Alpha. Departure November 11th at 12:04. Hey count. Organic sample detected. Alioida laminii. First out of 3 required. Space samples 150 meters apart. Vista Genomics payment, 3,385,200 credits, plus bonus 13,540,800 credits for first discovery. Hey count, we're far enough to snag the next biosample. Hey count. Codex entry. Bacterium alcyaneum. Lime. Biological and geological. Samples 500 meters apart. Vista Genomics. 4 million credits for 3 samples, plus 16 million first discovery bonus. Hey count. Sample collected for Alioida. Hey count. We're far enough out to grab the next biosample. Hey count. Organic scans for Alioida are complete. Hey count. Organic sample detected. Stratum Paleus. First out of 3 required. Space, M, 500 meters apart. Vista Genomics pays 1,250,000 credits, plus 5,500,000 bonus for first discovery. Hey count. Codex entry. Biological and geological. Cactoidal lapis. Yellow. Samples 300 meters apart. Vista Genomics pays 5,750,000 for the set, plus 22,750,000 first discovery bonus. Hey Crondor. Codex entry unlocked. Biological and geological. Bacterium alcyonium. Lime. Count. We're far enough to grab the next biosample. Count. Sample collected for stratum. Hey Crondor, new codex entry unlocked. Biological and geological. Cactoidal lapis yellow. Hey count, we're far enough to snag the next biosample. Hey Count, organic scans for stratum are complete. Hey Count, organic sample detected, Cactoida lapis, first out of 3 needed. Keep samples 300 meters apart. Vista Genomics pays 2,500,000 credits, plus 10 million bonus for first discovery.
Right, navigate to the next codex entry, please.
Navigating to Cactoida lapis, yellow. Surface navigation, distance 483 meters, bearing 112 degrees. Hey Count, we're far enough out to grab the next biosample. Getting closer, distance 321 meters, bearing 112 degrees.
Alright, cancel the navigation, I have a visual.
Getting closer, distance 145 meters, bearing 113 degrees. Navigation guidance off. Hey Count, sample collected for Cactoida.
Navigate to next codex entry.
Navigating to Cactoida lapis, yellow. Surface navigation, distance 548 meters, bearing 62 degrees. Getting closer, distance 518 meters, bearing 52 degrees. Getting closer, distance 411 meters, bearing 49 degrees. Getting closer, distance 260 meters, bearing 51 degrees. Count, we're far enough to snag the next biosample. Getting closer, distance 107 meters, bearing 67 degrees. Hey Count, organic scans for Cactoida are complete.
Calculate all the profits from the exobiology this session so far.
Analyzing exploration data. Stand by. Count. Total exobio profits so far hit 133,883,000 credits.
We can buy a space burger for that.
Yeah, space burgers hit different out here, Count.
Change personality to unhinged.
Hey Count, organic sample detected. Bacterium alcyonium, first of 3 needed. Keep them 500 meters apart. Vista Genomics pays 1,750,000 credits, plus 6,750,000 bonus for first discovery.
Navigate to the next codex entry.
Navigating to Bacterium alcyonium, lime. Surface navigation, distance 378 meters, bearing 82 degrees. Getting closer, Distance, 293 meters. Bearing, 86 degrees.
What is the ETA on our fleet carrier?
Analyzing fleet carrier telemetry. Stand by. Getting closer. Distance, 141 meters. Bearing, 88 degrees. 6 minutes count. Hang tight, the party's docking soon. Arrived. Bearing, 128 degrees. Yo, Count, we're primed for that next biosample grab. Time to poke some alien goo. Yo, Krondor, we just bagged a bacterium sample. Talk about microbial jackpot, right?
Take me to the last biosample to scan. Last codex entry, please. Navigation.
No codex entries found.
What other species we still have to scan on this planet?
Those critters ain't gonna scan themselves. Count, let's chase them down with some zippy sarcasm.
What bioforms do we still have to scan on this planet?
Analyzing exobiology data. Stand by. Hey, Count. Bacterium's 2/3 done. Zap one more Alcyonium. Then Fungoida, Osseous, Frutexowatin, untouched. Let's snag 'em quick. Yo, Count. We're primed for scooping that next biosample. These alien bugs won't sample themselves. Yo, Krondor. We're practically cuddling that last biosample. Scoot back before it gets awkward.
Requesting extraction.
Say again?
Board the ship.
Streaming mode is on. Voice to text will still be processing, but I will not react to you. Please prefix your command with Word Computer.
Alright, so we extracted the fleet carrier routing and the ship routing out of the player session into its own singletons. We'll make files smaller. Extracting ship. Fleet carrier routing from the player session. Commit and post to the open source. Also, what I wanted to do is the routing. I already forgot. The fuel estimation, I think, to do. So you can click on the star somewhere, like, I don't know, here, doesn't matter where. And grab it into memory and then ask the co-pilot to tell me what, how much fuel is gonna take, how many jumps it's gonna take, without actually plotting around, but... Yay. Oh no, it still works, a shortcut works, okay, good. Alright, but that will be later, at some point. I guess I'll scan all of the rest of the species here on offline.
Incoming message.
Oh look! Carrier jump complete. So the lone wolf is... no way. It's not there. It's over here. We are 503 light years away. So let's plot a route to that. Only we will do the fastest route. That'll be 8 jumps. Now if I look in this file over here, I should have this route onto the ship route. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Alrighty. That's all the time I had for today.